Hello everyone, my name is Taylor Arndt and welcome to the new channel. If you're new to this channel and to me in general, my name is Taylor Arndt. I currently live in Austin, Texas, and I am a blind content creator. I've been blind since birth, and my hobbies are tech, crafting, and of course, YouTube. So you may be wondering what is going on with my life, my channel, and everything in between. I've been doing YouTube for over 3 years, and I have a channel that's still active right now called Taylor Arndt. Basically, that channel has over 500 subscribers. I have had issues over the past 3 years with the YouTube algorithm thinking that I am 12. Basically, what it would do is it senses that I may look young and it flags my videos for child safety violations. So I've been having this for 3 years, and unfortunately it's not gotten resolved. Also, a couple days ago, so this would be the 27th of December as of this recording, I had a live stream go up and it got taken down midstream because of child safety violations. The fun doesn't stop there though. The live stream did not get reinstated, and now I can't live stream, and my channel has been suspended. I contacted YouTube. Of course, me not being monetized, I have very limited support. So I contacted the support that I do have, which happens to be on Twitter. My channel is suspended. In other words, I can't do anything with my channel because right now they have flagged me as child safety violations. So I had two choices, either stop doing YouTube in general or make a new channel. I made a new channel. But my goal with this channel is a little bit different, and I'm going to help create videos that connect tech with lifestyle. What does that mean? Basically, I want to talk about tech in my daily life. I want to talk about tech in terms of everything. For example, a couple topics are going to include, I got a knitting machine, so I'll talk about the tech that I use to either buy the knitting machine, of course, and I'll also talk about the tech that I use to learn how to use it. I also talk about the tech that's in the knitting machine, if applicable. And I also then talk about how maybe I, as a blind person, would assemble it and how to use it. I love technology, and I've been in the field for over 9 years. And it's my passion to share my love of technology. Now, where did the word Arndt come from? Arndt came from my last name. So my last name is Taylor Arndt. So I thought it would be a good name to name it Arndt Tech. And you can thank my boyfriend, Michael Doise, for this. So that is going to be the new channel, and of course, all of our classics will be back, our Visual Studio Code tutorials, our accessibility tutorials, because yes, I'm an accessibility consultant, and everything I do on this channel will focus on an accessibility standpoint, so you'll understand, how from a blind person's eyes, things work. And I'm really excited for this new chapter. It's kind of sad, but I think it's meant to be. I've got a really exciting announcement to share, and I am going to be doing a 30 Days of Python series. So in January 2024, which is only a few days away, every day of the month we're going to be doing a Python fundamentals video, and this will be able to help you to understand how to use Python. I really like this because that way it takes it back to the basics. I've never done something like this before, so I'm excited. And what better time to do it on this new channel. I also have a knitting machine coming, so I'm excited about that as well. So without further ado, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you have any questions, and if you would like to subscribe to this channel, please do that. Ring the notification bell, tell your friends, tell everybody you know, post it on social media. But without further ado, Happy New Year, and let's go build something great together.